This is the third video in our series on technologies for staffless lobbies of manufacturing offices or buildings. A staffless lobby is one in which no employees are stationed in the building lobby to greet or process guests. In this video, we will discuss some of the options available to address the challenges relating to safety and security for a staffless lobby. A visitor management solution can address many of the safety and security challenges for manufacturing companies who choose a staffless lobby. Visitor management software can provide employees with live video so they can remotely, visually, verify the visitor before entry, track and provide searchable records of all visitors to the building and who they met with, ensure visitors review and sign security policies and procedures, and lastly, perform visitor screenings to ensure anyone designated on your Do Not Allow list or the U.S. Consolidated Watch list are not allowed automated entry to the building. These are just a few of the key features available through visitor management software that can assist manufacturing companies with security and safety concerns. If you have questions about these or other visitor management features and would like to speak with one of our manufacturing sector lobby automation experts, contact us at 70-2284-7300 or email sales@alicereceptionist.com.